Satellite connectivity is saving the world yet again as Globalstar and SiriusTag are partnering to support the livestock industry amid the New World screwworm threat. This vector-borne disease has recently caused an outbreak in Mexico, prompting a border closure to live animal imports and putting cattle producers on high alert. The New World screwworm poses a significant threat to animal welfare and herd productivity, with potential economic losses in the hundreds of millions of dollars if not contained swiftly. The partnership between Globalstar and SiriusTag enables livestock monitoring through SiriusTag's smart ear tags. These tags provide real-time behavioral data, GPS location, and biosecurity triggers, transmitted via Globalstar's satellite network without relying on cellular infrastructure. This ensures uninterrupted connectivity even in remote ranches. According to SiriusTag founder and CEO David Smith, real-time traceability and detection can limit damage from devastating events like the New World screwworm outbreak. He emphasizes that Globalstar is an integral partner in delivering these solutions. Globalstar Vice President of Global Sales, Jake Rembert, adds that satellite technology is now a core infrastructure of agricultural intelligence, crucial for protecting food security and animal health globally. The economic impact of zoonotic diseases like the New World screwworm has been substantial, with estimated direct losses of $20 billion and indirect losses of $200 billion over the past decade. As these diseases become more frequent and widespread, ranchers and governments are investing in next-generation solutions, combining intelligent sensing with resilient connectivity. SiriusTag has recently expanded into the United States and committed to Globalstar for a minimum of units for the remainder of the year. They've also signed agreements with major animal health organizations in the U.S., including MWI Health and Animal Health International. This partnership allows them to deliver real-world solutions that help protect food security and animal health globally. To protect forests, Globalstar and TechnoSilva are continuing their partnership to provide critical connectivity solutions for wildfire and extreme weather modeling and risk management. TechnoSilva's platforms, including Wildfire Analyst and Fire Response, are used by fire agencies across North America, Latin America, and Europe to gain real-time, situational awareness and enhanced coordination. Globalstar's Spot satellite devices power these platforms in the field, enabling precise GPS tracking and emergency signaling even in remote and hazardous environments. In a notable deployment in Focar, Andalusia's regional fire authority and one of Europe's largest emergency response organizations, has been using Globalstar's Spot devices in conjunction with TechnoSilva's platforms. This allows firefighters to send instant location data and receive rapid dispatch of emergency teams, even in areas without GSM coverage. InfoCA initially deployed Spot Gen 3 devices in 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic and has since expanded to 550 devices. The partnership has also seen success in other regions, including Spain, the U.S., Canada, and Latin America. In the U.S., major firefighting agencies in Texas and Georgia use TechnoSilva's system for predictive analysis to model fire spread and allocate resources more effectively. TechnoSilva's solutions are enhanced by AI and machine learning capabilities, providing real-time and predictive insights into developing wildfire and extreme weather risks. According to Joaquin Ramirez, founder and CTO at TechnoSilva, integrated and intelligent solutions are crucial for addressing increasing wildfire threats. Mark O'Connell, Globalstar's general manager for EMEA and APAC, emphasized the importance of equipping fire agencies with critical satellite technology to save lives and protect communities. The partnership between Globalstar and TechnoSilva aims to improve firefighter safety and decision-making by combining advanced communications, fire behavior modeling, and real-world field operations. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.